There is beyond the sea a land I know that sings of home, that sings of many things and many hours long gone. For though we go into the hours that come, to home there clings a molecule or two that went away and calls betimes again across the waves that lap this exile shore. For but a day bade many days rest ever neath their graves. And yet I would again re-sing this song and accent fond, I know. I would here come in pulpits old to stand, for I belong to what I am, and sounds of safest home, or this horizon call at whiles again. For harmony ere lost is strangest